Hey guys, welcome back to another video tutorial from the Education App Guru. Today we're going to start a series on how to use Keynote on your iOS device. For most of you, that'll mean using it on your iPad. Now, Keynote is the #1 app that I use in my classroom. I use my iPad every day, all day. And as far as the amount of time that I spend using different apps, Keynote is definitely at the top of the list. It's basically Apple's version of PowerPoint. So you're going to be able to create slideshows and presentations that you'll use to present your lessons. You can find it on the App Store here. If you scroll down to the bottom and go to Apps Made by Apple, you'll see all of the different apps that are produced from the company Apple. And for some of you, this is going to be a free download. If you bought your iPad after September 1st, 2013, you are going to get these apps for free. If they weren't free before, they'll be free as soon as you upgrade to iOS 8. If you bought your device before September 1st, 2013, I believe that Keynote is a $9.99 download. And even at that price, it's still the #1 app that I recommend for doing PowerPoint presentations. Microsoft has published their own PowerPoint app for the iPad, but it requires a subscription in order to get the full value from it, so it would actually be more expensive than this option. So here it is in the App Store. It's got a little cloud where the price should be because I have purchased it already, and the little cloud means I'm ready to download it. So for you, that button would either say free or install, and you'll tap on it and it'll start installing. This little circle with the box means that the App Store is downloading your app. So I'm going to go ahead and jump ahead in the video to where this app is about downloaded. Okay, so we've been waiting about 5 minutes for this app to download. Looks like it's just about ready to open. The reason that it took so long is that it's a little bit larger of an app. Down at the bottom, you can get the details. It's 459 megabytes. That's almost half a gigabyte of space that it's going to take up on your iPad, and that's not even counting the presentations that you're going to be adding. So once it finishes downloading, the button changes to an open button. I'm going to go ahead and tap on that, and it'll switch over to the app that it's just installed. So here we have our introduction screen. I'm going to tap on Continue, and it's going to ask you if you'd like to use iCloud for Keynote. I would suggest using this iCloud feature. If you're watching this video in September or maybe early October, there might be a few bugs in the system that they're working out because they're changing their system a little bit. But it's going to allow you to edit these presentations on a computer, even if you don't have a Mac, even if you don't have Keynote installed on your computer, which is going to be a much faster way to edit your presentations. Then we have a little Get Started screen. It gives you an idea of some of the things that you'll be able to do with this app. I'm going to go ahead and tap on View My Presentations. Now I have some presentations here because I've already used Keynote, but we're going to look at how to create a new presentation right now. You'll see up in the corner it's showing us, pointing out the little question mark to us. That's where you can show coaching tips. It'll give you an idea of what each of the different buttons on this main screen do. I'm going to go ahead and tap on Create Presentation, the little plus button in the top corner. I've tapped on the large white one. Also, there's a small white one, a small white plus button in the very top left-hand corner where you can create a presentation or copy it from a couple different locations, but you're probably not going to use those options very much. So again, if we tap on Create Presentation, we've got about 30 different themes that Apple has designed. Very nice looking themes. They're going to give your presentations a real professional look. I use a lot of these in class all the time. So we'll go ahead and tap on this gradient one, the third option, and you can create your new presentation from there. In future videos, we're going to look at how to edit your presentations, all the different options of ways that you can spruce up your presentations and make them look really nice. But that's going to do it for this first video on installing Keynote and setting it up. You can look for more video tutorials on my website, edappguru.com. Thanks for watching.